Pupunta ba kayo or nagbabalak kayo pumunta ng Hong Kong? Sharing with you where we stayed for 4 days, 3 nights. At ang binayaran namin is around 1,679 Hong Kong dollars or around 12,200 pesos. Hotel stay in Hong Kong is quite expensive and this is actually the cheapest na nakita namin dito sa Tsim Sha Tsui. By the way, visit nyo guys, loversinthecity.com at i-share namin yung full itinerary namin, pati yung link nitong hotel na to. This is Comfort Guest House in Chungking Mansion. It is along Nathan Road at tapat nito yung iconic na tawiran, parang Shibuya Crossing. We booked via booking.com pala. If dito kayo magstay, madaling mag-navigate sa ibang tourist spot kasi tapat lang ito ng train station at may bus at taxi na sa baba. Anyway, so itutour ko kayo. To tell you honestly, nagulat kami ng pagpasok namin sa first floor kasi puro mga instant mekos-mekos dito. Parang palengke. Actually, may mga stalls ng gadget at may mga karinderya na mostly Indian food. At may mga Filipino din pala.